Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kaskulba Northeastern Hill University, haka hendreu terik mentau benai risau arah jarkat pra. Kalapan kot no ya ka Second National Moot Court Competition 2018 kabala pelong da ka Department of Law. Haka ni kejelang u Advocate General jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya u Amit Kumar uralong Kongsan kat bau Vice Chancellor jong ka NLUJAA Guwahati u JS Patel uralong kom sembot Kongsan ringkat ke jingsak hilang kinuhikai jong ka ni kaskulba. Haka ni kejekop keladan hadu kat pratli kaskulba ki College Nakalang Kari India ki balawan Malaysia menta bat dia ka nam lado layora da ke Chanakya National Law University napo Patna jong ka jela Bihar ringkat ke pisa laipo hajar tingka. Bat dia ka nam ke baar pat layora da ke Amity Law School Kolkata na ka jela West Bengal ringkat ke khusnam da ke pisa ke baar po hajar tingka.
What you require as a budding lawyer is that certain set of skills. Drafting skills, you require drafting skills, you require arguing skills, you require research skills, and nowadays in the age of technology, once we are having all those kind of inputs, search engines, where you go on Google and put some judgment and you get and you read the Google and then you come out here, look, this is the concept which was there and I have to apply to the facts. Now in those cases, what I urge and implore all of you is that you go through those judgments minutely, have notes prepared and apply to the facts of the case, because this skill set will help you throughout your life. You, as a lawyer, you have to acquire the skill set, and once you inculcate this habit of acquiring the skill set, because sometimes when I started my profession, I started from scratch. Nobody was there in my family. I learned typing, because sometimes you have to type your application and you can do it manually, slowly, but if you have to do it fast, you have to deliver it fast, you must learn the typing. This is another skill which you should have. And because it will help you. Most of the times you won't get a stenographer. You will get a stenographer at the age after 10 years or 15 years. But when initially client comes to you and says that I want to file this application tomorrow, and then you can't at 9 o'clock in the night you will find. So therefore even this basic minimum skill will also help you in making you a good lawyer. Second skill which I say is that, see, the opportunities are huge in the field of law. Whether you are sitting in Ceylon or sitting in Delhi or sitting in Kolkata, the issue is that now world has become a global village. Now everything is connected to internet. Now there are kinds of services which can be provided sitting in Ceylon also or sitting in Kolkata also, all over the world. But you need to have those skill set by which you can provide these services. You have to explore the areas. For example, the data now you have heard about LPO, that is a law processing outsourcing, something related to documentation parts, etc., which are huge, in fact, young persons who they are doing in Gurgaon, they are sitting and they are doing all those kind of skills. But that is a basic set of skills which they have acquired and they are trying to employ. But for that purpose also law is required.